Hello, my friends. Hello, and welcome back. Welcome to today's Chi Energy Activation. Today, we're outside in the park. It's a hot day, 30 degrees Celsius, probably about 85 Fahrenheit. We're going to do some 18 forms today. So let's start with the feet shoulder width apart. Smile on your lips, knees comfortably bent, taking a long, slow breath in. Let's raise that energy up, gathering the energy, directing it towards the top of our crown, and flowing it back down that central column of our body from the top of the crown, the base of the torso, and down past your hips, your legs, your feet, back out to the ground. And let's go again, breathing in, breathing out. And if you need more than one breath, that's totally fine. If you can, lengthen the inhale and the exhalation. Let's go once again, breathing in. And breathing out. For the first movement, we're going to do the harmonizing of the Qi. Again, feet shoulder width apart, knees comfortably bent, feeling all four corners of your feet on the ground, shoulders relaxed, smile on your lips. Breathing in, bend at the knees and raise the hands up to the height of the shoulders. Exhaling, straightening the legs, slowly guiding the hands down. Let's do 6. Here we go for 2. 3. Again, coordinating with the breath if you can. Long, slow inhalation as you come up. Long, slow exhalation as you go down for 4. 5. 6. Bringing the hands together in front, raising up to the height of the shoulders on the inhalation. Opening to the sides, slipping the hands down, and then floating them back down gently. Coming back to the center in front of the lower belly. Opening the chest, breathing in, rising up. Open, 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 exhaling, coming down. You might want to do a hold in the middle there, inhaling, rising up to the height of the shoulders. Holding the breath, smiling as you open the hands up. Exhaling as you turn the hands over, guide them down. Always smiling when the hands are open and you're receiving the energy like that. Let's do 2 more. Breathing in, holding, exhaling. This time as the hands come down, you cross the arms in front. Either arm can go first. Lift from the elbows. Raise the elbows up over the head. And looking up, separate the clouds. Reveal the sky. Exhaling down. Breathing in, raising up the arms, straightening the legs. Looking up and smiling to move the clouds away and see that beautiful sunshine. Here we go for 3. Breath in. Slow breath out. Breathing in, rising up for 4. Bending the knees as you lower the hands down. 2 more. Here we go for 5. And 6. Raise the hands in front of the chest at the height of the shoulders. Now we're going to roll the ball. Breathing in, left hand comes back, right hand goes forward. Rolling the ball with the hand cupped over the shoulder, passing the hands, feeling the chi exchange as they pass. Breathing in as you come back, falling with the head. Breathing out as you go forward. Breathing in as you come back, you rise, straightening the legs. Breathing out, lowering the legs. Breathing in, feeling how you're gathering that chi ball and then guiding it forward. Feeling that palm facing palm exchange as the opposite hand comes back. Here we go for 4 on the left and 4 on the right. 5 on the left, following the hand with your head as it goes back behind and then coming back forward. 5 on the right. 6 and 6. Now let's open into the double wide stance, toes pointing open at 45 degrees, arms open wide at your sides. We're going to do the rainbow dance. Dropping the left hand, shifting the weight on the right knee, looking down, following the hand with your gaze. The right hand rises. Breathing in, shifting to the opposite side. Left hand rises. Right hand sinks, following the hand that goes down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in as you tip. Breathing out as you rock. Imagining you have the ends of the rainbow in the palms of your hand. How does that feel for you as you're moving your arms through the chi field? One more on each side now. Tipping down, rising up, tipping down, rising up. Return the feet shoulder width apart. The hands in front. Imagine you're gripping the oars of a rowboat. Shoulders are relaxed, elbows are out wide. Take a breath in. Then as you exhale, roll the boat, bending the knees, rolling forward, exhaling, straightening up, inhaling, exhaling on the rub, inhaling on the return. 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly straighten back up, hands at your sides. And let's gather the peaceful chi, breathing in, raising the arms up, uniting the energy of the earth, the energy of the heavens, and then flowing it down from the top of the crown. You are the conduit of the energy from heaven and earth. Let's do 3 rounds. Here we go for 2 long, slow inhalation. Smiling as you receive. Long, slow exhalation as you deliver that energy into your body. You embody the energy, the healing Qi, the unconditional love and light of the universe. Flowing it all the way back down. The flow is receiving and giving, raising up the energy we receive. Exhale, and we flow the energy down. And then we return it back to the earth. Let's bring the hands into prayer position. Thank you for your practice today, dear friends. Namaste. The light within me honors the light within you. We'll see you again here next time for another Qi energy activation. Ciao.